Hello, today we are going to learn about voltage rectification and stepping down of voltage from 240 volts to 24 volts. Then you are going to use a bridge rectifier to change the voltage from 24 volts AC to 24 volts DC. After rectification, the voltage is not stable, it is fluctuating. Yes, it is DC, but it is fluctuating. So we have to find a way whereby we have a stable voltage. And we're going to use capacitor and resistor in parallel, which forms a low pass filter to filter off the ripples or to smoothen the voltage. We are going to create the circuit and then simulate it in multisim. Thank you. So this is the simulation part, and in the simulation part we're going to add components to this multisim file, then simulate them. So the first part, we go to the basic and we need an AC voltage, so we go to AC voltage and then we click OK, we add. After that we need a ground, so we're going to check for ground here, and these are the grounds, so we add ground. Okay, we need a transformer to step down the voltage from 240 to 24 volts. So we go back here, we go to basics and we pick a transformer. We're going to have one for one primary and one secondary. Add it. After the transformer we need diodes for rectification, so we go to basic, then check. No, we don't have in basic. We go to diodes, place diode, and we are going to use 1N4004 diode. Is most common diode that is used in rectification. So here we have 1N4004G diode. It has 1 ampere rating and 400 volts as maximum reverse voltage that it can withstand. So we're going to add 4 of them. The last thing to add is they are the capacitors. So we go back to basic, we pick capacitor. We're going to pick electrolytic capacitors because these are the ones that are used for smoothening of voltage. So I'll pick 1 microfarad, but I'm going to change the value. The last thing to pick is a resistor. Then I close. I'm going to join the value, the components. I have to arrange. The voltage must be 240 volts and 250 hertz. So the amplitude is going to be 240 volts. Frequency is going to be 50 hertz. There's no voltage offset click OK, join the parts here. The parts are joined. Arrange this one this way. I have to rotate this capacitor, so I rotate clockwise, ensuring the polarity is arranged in the right way. Then the resistor also, I have to rotate it so that they are in parallel. So I'm tapping the voltage from the resistor, so the resistor is going to be the load. I'll add ground again, because ground is the reference point for our voltage. So this ground, okay. I'll close. This is going to form our positive voltage. This is going to be the output. I need to join this one to the ground. I'll add another ground here. Okay. And then close. So this is our circuit. It has a voltage supply of 240, 50 Hz, transformer that is stepping down with turn ratio 10:1, that is from 240 to 24 volts. This is a bridge rectifier formed by 4 diodes, and this forms a filter C1 and R1. In the next video we are going to simulate this circuit and find the voltages.